Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedrilla. Let's do your reading for the month of February 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Aries. And this time I'm going to use a new deck called the Thoth deck by Aleister Crowley. And I'm going to use a new method called the Golden Dawn Sprint. It consists of 15 cards. And I'll deal down the cards and guide you along with it. So the first 3 cards I'm dealing right now is your situation. Now I'm moving on to... So now I've dealt the cards down. The first 3 cards, what you're seeing right now, in the center is your situation. The top right hand side corner is your current path, whatever you're intending to go through along your own will. In the left top corner you have your alternate path, what you can do alternately with respect to your current path. And bottom left corner you have your psychological basis, what is running in the background. And in the right bottom corner you have your karma, whatever you have to go through in life, the lessons and something which you cannot untie, something which is destined for you and you're going through, that is the karma. So yeah, let's do the face up for the cards and I'll start the reading. So now I've done the face up. The 3 cards that you can see in the center is the situation. So you got sorrow, 3 of swords. So the situation is not the best. Okay, of course there is a little bit of sadness, not the best. Yeah, lust, strength. Usually this card suggests a negative energy, but when it comes to fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, this is very positive because this strength card represents Leo and I'm wearing red, which is this card only, strength. It represents this color. So this is actually very good, especially for fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Strength card is very good because it represents fire, and the element of fire for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is fire only. Okay, it's a mutual and friendly card. So next is Knight of Wands. Interesting. So coming, even though at tough times, Three of Swords, even at tough times, the situation is like this. Even at tough times, you believe in yourself, which is the Leo, the lion thing. You believe your soul, you believe yourself, and you move forward. You won't listen to anyone right now. You believe who you are, you believe what you are, and you're just moving forward. That is the situation. Not that bad. At the end of the day, you are happy, right? That's the situation. So good. Let's look at your current path, whatever you are intent to go through, however you wish to experience life, depending on the situation. You are going with 10 of discs, which is wealth. Okay. So you're figuring out how much money you have, how much you want. You're planning ahead. Okay, that is your main priority, coming as the first for your current path. Second is 9 of Wands, which is strength. Okay, so how much wealth and how much power, which is the strength card. It is not power. You can say strength is different from power, but strength is the kind of stamina, you can say. Not even stamina. It is the stamina which you decide at a particular time and a particular amount of period, you can say. Okay, that's a strength in your life. I feel like it has to do with mostly career related works and financial related works. 5 of discs, worry. So you believe that these two things can is a worry for you. Worry in the sense it's a concern for you. Okay, not necessarily. Worry is not necessarily something which is very negative. It can just be your realization and your your state of mind that you're just worrying. You're just concerned about it. Okay, you're concerned that you're concerned how much money you want to make, how much money you already have, and how to improve it with the strength card. With whatever strength you have, whatever abilities you have, whatever you can do, you want to put forward whatever skills or strength is the same thing. Whatever you can do, you want to do it to increase that. That is your current path. Not that bad. You are very determined also, is what I'm saying. Very fiery energy, Aries, very good. Your alternate path, whatever alternately you can do, that the universe is suggesting. 10 of Cups, which is satiety, meaning that 10 of Cups usually is a family card. You can connect with family much better. That is what universe is suggesting. Connect with family, have happiness. 10 of Cups is a very happy card. Universe is suggesting that you can connect and be happy. You have the choice. You have the option. You have the choice. Next is Aeon card. Aeon is a very spiritual card. I usually tell in this particular deck, you can see Aeon is a very spiritual card compared to all the cards, and it is for a reason that it is very ancient also. It looks very ancient. Aeon, the meaning of Aeon is also, it represents ancient time, aeons. Okay, what is this Aeon card in the alternate path that the universe is suggesting is be spiritual. Be spiritual, look back how much you have achieved, how much far you have come, and where you are. Just be happy, just be grateful. And with the 10 of Cups is the same thing. Just be happy. Okay, look back in the past and just be happy how much far you have come. Okay, that's the Aeon. And also be spiritual. Okay, next is Death. Usually Death card, many people fear this card. Not readers, not tarot readers, because tarot readers know the meaning of Death card, so they don't fear it. Other people will fear because they don't know the meaning of it. It's not that death is not what you think it is. Okay, death is a transformation. Whatever good or bad, whatever it's happening is just ending, and something new is going to start. So whatever happens, you can transform it. You have the choice of transforming it, which is the death card. You can shed the skin and have a new skin. You can see snakes always shed skin because it wants to leave the situation. It just wants to focus on itself and focus on its growth. All living beings want to grow. Plants, animals, that's the main purpose of our life. Just to grow. We want to grow, we'll grow. But you also have to realize what to keep in mind and what to leave behind. Okay, that's the transformation. That's when transformation happens. What you want to keep within yourself and what you have to leave. That's the main purpose of transformation. That's the main goal of transformation. So you have the choice of transforming. That's the alternate path. The way you do it also I just explained right now. Psychological basis, let's look into that. What is running in the background for you, Aries, in February 2021? We have deep bouch, Seven of Cups. We got the Ace of Swords, which is the interference, and Knight of Discs, which is a code card and a slow moving card, slowest moving card in tarot. Okay, this is running in the background. Deep bounce is happy. It's of course what is running in the background is the same thing. I feel like something is interfering in the middle with your happiness, something or someone. Okay, usually it might be someone, which is the Knight. It can be you or other person here. If this is not you, then it might be other person who is interfering. If this is you, then it might be things around you which is interfering. Okay. So I feel like it is you, this one. It is not anyone. It is you. I feel like this interference, whatever things around you is interfering, and it is having you to move slow like the Knight. That is what is happening in the background. Okay. So yeah, I feel like you have to take the death card. That might be better, Aries. Whatever alternate path universe is suggesting, even I advise you to look into that. But I feel like you're focused more on your goals and not the transformation. Whatever goals and whatever you're more materialistic than spiritual. Okay. You can check out air signs reading. Libra, Gemini and Aquarius. I'll mention in the playlist, okay, in the icon, because even they I feel like one of the air signs is going through materialistic things than spiritual things. So you might be connecting with them. I'll mention in the playlist there. And that's the psychological basis, what is running in the background. Okay. So if this is running in the background, then consider your alternate path and current path. That will guide you. What is your karma? What is your destiny? What do you have to go through? What are the things that you cannot untie? What are the lessons for you? It is 8 of Wands. Shiftness. Okay. The card says, the word says it all. Hermit. The Hermit, which is a major arcana. Prince of Cups, which is a code card. Okay. Interesting. Now your karma is to do the transformation, do the shift, and that's what universe is suggesting. The alternate path, death, transformation. Transform your life, make some transformation, make some changes, have the shiftness. That is the karma. Some shift has to happen. And by listening whatever I said from the starting, you know what kind of shiftness and which area of shiftness which has to happen. You listen to your intuition and gut feeling. Your instinct says it all. Okay. Hermit, because your own instincts will guide you. Shiftness can be various different things for various different people. There are millions of Aries people, right? They have the choice of watching my video. They may not watch, but they have the choice of watching my video, meaning that many millions of people are Aries people. Okay, Sun, Moon, and Rising. The way shiftness happen, you have to listen to your intuition. Starting from the reading, whatever messages you get, your gut feeling will guide you. Okay, your instincts will guide you. Hermit is Hermit is same thing what I said. You have to also connect with your intuition, Aries, in the month of February. Hermit card. Hermit is a man who climbs the mountain looking for answers. He's the hermit. So you can see, if you look very very closely, this is the lamp. I'll guide you in the backward direction so your focus will go very cleanly. Okay, this is the lamp. Hermit is a guy who takes a lamp and climbs the mountain to seek answers. This is a lamp. This is the hand. This is the lamp. And you can see the guy who is holding the lamp, his face is right here. Okay. So he's kind of arching. You can see the arch. So this arch represents experience. He's kind of old and he's kind of experienced. Not represents age, but usually it represents experience. And walking a long way. Okay. So you have to trust your intuition. It has come a long way. It has experienced many things. Trust your intuition, trust your own soul. Okay. That will guide you. Prince of Cups. Move. Yeah, just move. As I said, this represents experience and also movement. Moving for a long time gives you drained. That's what this arch means. He's arching out. He's moving with the Princess of Cups. He has a vehicle, he's moving. I feel like there is a particular path and particular method that you know to connect with your mind and intuition. So go ahead and do that with the Princess of Cups, meaning that you have a vehicle here to travel. And I feel like it has to do with mostly emotions. Okay. Which is Cups. Or it may not be an emotion, but the journey might be emotional. So it plays out differently. So this is actually very fiery as usual with the Aries situation. Situation. The Lust and Knight of Wands, very fiery because you are Aries. And also you are mostly connecting to the air signs, as I said, because it's the mind. You are mostly connecting to the mind and air sign people. I'll mention the playlist as I said. Okay, you can check out air signs readings. Yeah, mostly intuition and your gut feeling. You have to listen in the month of February for you, Aries. Universe is asking for transformation. That will be the best thing you can do. Be spiritual and also listen to your intuition. Remember that your karma, there has to be some shiftness and movement. Considering your psychological basis, which is the background, for that you have to look into your current path and alternate path. That's all I have for you, Aries. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed or new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload any video. And also, if you want to gain access to your personal energies, if you're facing any difficulty in life, or if you have any problems in life, or if you need any guidance from me personally, you can check out this poster. I do offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. All the price ranges are mentioned respectively. My social media links are below, and you can find my phone number also there. You can contact with me via call. And yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.